Yeah, this has been a tradition in this town for about as long as I can remember.
I love that tornado.
I hate that tornado. I'll get it.
Couldn't have seen what's next coming.
Uh-oh. This is cool.
You're sitting in my seat.
I love that tornado.
I love that tornado.
I love that tornado.
Warms this old soul to see this tradition carry on.
At first, I was honestly a little skeptical of the tornado, but now, I think I get the hype. Yep.
I love that tornado.
A tornado!
I hate that tornado.
No, I'm not playing on my phone. I'm taking care of